Tactical pens sit at the intersection of writing implements and survival tools. For everyday carry, they promise discreet self-defense capabilities, emergency signaling, and practical writing reliability without tipping into weaponized optics. In this review, I tested 5 popular models spanning a budget option and a premium multi-pack, evaluating build quality, grip, weight balance, writing performance.
Product number 1. The most loaded 6-in-1 tactical pen solves other brands' weaknesses. This Ankaka model aims to blend self-defense capability with practical daily writing in a compact all-in-one package. It features a tungsten carbide tip designed for impact, a discreet flashlight, a bottle opener, a multi-tool head, and a set of ink refills plus batteries, all packaged in a near 6-inch form factor. The write performance claims include smear-proof ink with quick-drying properties and compatibility with standard 2.75-inch refills. The handle includes a thumb grip design and thread work intended to optimize grip transfer for a controlled strike, with an emphasis on durability and balance during writing and defensive use. Performance-wise, the pen is notably lighter when used purely as a writing instrument, addressing a common complaint about heavier tactical pens that hinder daily use. The combination of 11 total pieces and a relatively light 3.2-ounce weight suggests a favorable balance for pocket carry. In practice, the LED flashlight and self-defense tip are convenient in emergencies, but as a one-pen solution for everyday tasks, the complexity can introduce slight torque during extended writing sessions. The quality of the tungsten carbide tip implies one-move defense reliability, while the multiple ink options offer continuity across refills. The packaging and included gift box add perceived value, but could complicate compact carry. Product number 2. Origin Joy 5-pack Tungsten Steel Military Tactical Pen Set. The Origin Joy 5-pack is a heavier-duty kit designed for serious EDC use. The body combines tungsten steel with aviation aluminum, delivering a claimed hardness of 14 HRC. Each pen includes a diamond knurled grip for improved friction, a glass breaker tip, and a durable pocket clip. The set ships with 20 ballpoint refills, supporting long-term usability in varied conditions and making it suitable for groups or families who want multiple ready-to-go pens. The package is marketed towards self-defense and survival scenarios, with emphasis on the grip geometry and the flight through airport security without triggering alarms. In practice, the heavier construction offers tactile confidence and durability, particularly for users with tremors or arthritic hands who benefit from the additional weight. The diamond-shaped threading improves grip security, and the glassbreaker tip is positioned for rapid deployment and emergencies. Writing performance remains solid thanks to the included refills, and the pocket clips make everyday carry straightforward. However, the bulk and weight reduce stealth and pocketability compared to a single, slimmer pen. For home or office setups, this can be a superb value, especially if you want a ready-to-go multi-pen kit for multiple users. Product number 3. Tactical Slide Action Ballpoint Pen. 3D printed EDC writing tool with protective case. This generic option emphasizes a 3D printed slide action mechanism with a protective case and a focus on desk-friendly aesthetics. It's a single pen with a slide action mechanism designed for quick, one-handed deployment. The package includes compatible refills and a protective case to prevent scratches and dust, appealing to users who want a visually striking yet functional EDC pen with a modern, tech-forward look. Performance-wise, the slide action mechanism promises smooth operation and reliable ink flow with quick-drying, smudge-free results. The protective case helps keep the pen pristine when stored in bags or desks, and the 3D printed construction might offer customization appeal, but could raise questions about long-term durability compared to metal-bodied rivals.
For users who value unique aesthetics and a dedicated carry case, this pen offers a compelling option, though it may not deliver the same ruggedness as tungsten steel or aircraft-grade aluminum contenders. Product number 4. RAK Multi-Tool Pen Gifts for Men. The RAK 2-pack brings 11-in-1 functionality into a compact aluminum body. Features include an LED light, stylus tip, both metric and standard rulers, a bubble level, a bottle opener, and a Phillips screwdriver. This pair is designed for versatility around home improvement, office tasks, and light outdoor use, with a strong emphasis on giftability and practical EDC utility for the non-enthusiast user who wants a ready-to-carry, multi-purpose tool. In use, the two pens provide redundancy and scale up overall toolkit functionality. The aluminum frame keeps weight manageable while supplying adequate rigidity for the included tools. The presence of batteries, for LED, and the 11-in-1 feature set makes this option an attractive gift or shared toolset for households or workplaces. A potential drawback is that the tool accuracy, e.g. bubble level and ruler precision, may not rival dedicated handheld tools. However, for quick fixes and everyday tasks, this kit performs effectively.
Product number 5. Origin Joy 2-pack Tungsten Steel Military Tactical Pen Set. This Origin Joy 2-pack emphasizes a compact, rugged dual pen set with 8 ballpoint refills. The combination of tungsten steel and aviation aluminum provides a balance between hardness and weight, with a 14 HRC hard tip and a diamond-etched grip for secure handling. The two-color package, black and gray, adds visual variety and broader personal fit. It positions itself as a practical, budget-friendly pair for users who want multiple pens for different environments, work, home, or gym. Performance-wise, the pens deliver solid writing quality with quick dry ink and a dependable glass breaker capability. The dual-pack format makes rotation easier and helps reduce downtime when one pen is in maintenance. The weight and feel should suit users who appreciate heft for control, but those prioritizing slender carry might find the profile too robust for tight pockets. The included 8 refills ensure ongoing operation without frequent replacements.